Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine. I'm fine, thank you. Students, in last videos we have discussed different shapes of areas and volumes of different shapes. In this lecture, I will try to find out the sectors of different circles. Let's start today's lecture. Try to find out the sectors of at different angles of the circles. For generally we know that area of sector of circle is angle divided by 360 multiplied by area of circle, right? If you notice that angle, let's suppose here angle theta, we can denote the angle theta. Here is 360 degree multiplied by area of circle. You can note, you know that already, pi into r square, right? So area of sector is this. For example, you have angle 180 degree for first case. So how you can find out the area of at this step? For example, I have angle theta degree. How we can, for example, this is the shape, this is the area of sector. Now we try to find out the area of sectors of different shapes at different angle. Let's start how we try to check. For example, I have an area at angle, for example, here is angle 180 degree, right? Try to find the area of sector. Find, and theta equal to 90 degree and theta equal to 30 degree, right? In first step, find area of sector. Derive the area of sector. You can also, so if for example you can say that derive the formula of area of sector, right? For example, in first case we have angle 90 degree. We already know that there is general formula theta is equal to 360 multiplied by pi r square, right? For example, in first case we have angle 90. Put here, we can find out the area of sector of this covered region. So putting the value 180 divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. So at case 1 we notice that 1 and 2, so 1 by 2 pi r square. So in this case we can notice that the area of sector is 1 by 2 pi r square. For example, we have angle 90 degree. How we can find out the area of at angle 90 degree? So in this case we can simply put that, for example, theta is equal to 90 degree. So in this case we can 90 divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. So in this case 19 and 4 times, so we'll develop the formula 1 by 4 pi r square, right? This is the case when you have angle 90 degree. Area of sector is this. For example, you have 180 degree, the area of sector is this. For example, we have at 90 degree, then the area of sector is 1 by 4 pi r square. Now we try to find out, for example, here is theta 30 degree. How you can find out at that case area of sector? For example, here is theta equal to 30 degree. So in this case 30 divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. So 0 0 1 into 12. At this case the area of sector is 1 by 12 multiplied by pi r square, right? So in this case the area of sector is in this form. So you can notice that if you have at angle different angle theta is different, so the common thing is 1 by 360 into pi r square is common. In this case, in this way you can find out the area of sectors of circle, right? Here I'm gonna to stop my lectures. If you have any query, any sort of problem, I will give you the answer in next video. So till next video, bye bye.